Hey guys, how are you? If you're watching my face for the first time, then let me introduce myself to you. I am Samraki Datta and this is my channel. And if you are new here, then please go subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. First of all, I'm really sorry for posting a new video after 1 month. It's been one freaking month since I post my last video and I'm really sorry. क्या होता है ना, वो एक चीज़ होती है, वो यूट्यूबर्स का एक चीज़ होती है कि वॉट एवर मतलब कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही हो आपके लाइफ में, वॉट एवर द प्रॉब्लम्स भी, इट डजेंट मैटर, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम चल रही हो आपके लाइफ में, आप जब यूट्यूब पे कैमरा पे आके यहाँ पर बैठते हो तो फिर यू हैव टू बी लाइक कि वो आपके चेहरे पे पोर्ट्रे नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू आर मेकिंग द वीडियो एंड यू आर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग अदर पीपल, तो आपके चेहरे पे वो नहीं आना चाहिए. तो दैट्स अ थिंग आई हैव टू मास्टर. बिग यूट्यूबर्स, उनके लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स चलती है एंड वी ऑल नो कि 2020 इज़ स्ट्रेसिंग फॉर लाइक एवरी वन, इट्स हेक्टिक फॉर एवरी वन, इट्स डिप्रेसिंग फॉर एवरी वन. तो यूट्यूबर, जो बड़े बड़े यूट्यूबर होते हैं, उनका वो टैलेंट होता है कि कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही हो पीछे लाइफ में, वो जब कैमरा पे आते हैं यू विल नेवर गेट टू नो एनीथिंग, उनके चेहरे पे वो आएगा ही नहीं. दैट्स अ टैलेंट एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव टू मास्टर. एंड बीइंग न्यू हियर, मैंने अभी अपना यूट्यूब चैनल ओपन किया है कि टू और 3 मंथ्स ही होगा, ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. मैंने अभी अपना यूट्यूब चैनल ओपन किया है, सो आई एम वेरी न्यू एंड आई हैव टू मास्टर दैट टैलेंट. मैं जब भी मेरा कोई प्रॉब्लम चल रहा होता है कि क्या होता है, वो मेरे फेस पे पोर्ट्रे हो जाता है, वो मेरे फेस पे आ जाता है, कैमरा पे पोर्ट्रे होता है एंड दैट इज़ नॉट गुड. So I have to master that talent and that's why I was not posting any video because it's not good. क्योंकि जो viewers होते हैं वो सब लोग, उनका एक ही होता है कि वो क्यों देखते हैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे वीडियोस. वो इसलिए देखते हैं कि कुछ टाइम के लिए 5 to 6 मिनट्स के लिए भी हो तो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो जाए, लाइक दे वांट टू सी समथिंग गुड ताकि वो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो सके. अगर जो कैमरा के उस पार है वो खुद ही डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो, उसका खुद का प्रॉब्लम उसके चेहरे पे हो, वो किसी और को डिस्ट्रैक्ट ही नहीं कर सके, तो कोई कोई पर्पस नहीं रहता वीडियो बनाने की. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई लैक इन, सो आई हैव टू मास्टर दैट थिंग. एंड व्यूअर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये बहुत बुरा लगता है जब आपका प्रॉब्लम्स और आपका डिप्रेशन कुछ भी हो वो फेस पे पोर्ट्रे नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट लुक्स वेरी बैड बिकॉज यू आर ट्राइंग टू इन्फ्लुएंस अदर पीपल, सो यू आर मेकिंग अदर पीपल डिप्रेस्ड एज वेल, so that's not good. So yeah, I have to master that talent and I'm trying and I'm very sorry for taking a whole 1 month and I will try to take less gap in between, कि उतना गैप ना लूँ. मैं वीक में एक वीडियो तो पोस्ट करूँगी. एंड अगर ये कोई और साल होता इट वुड हैव बीन सो ईजियर. मैं एक तो न्यू हूँ, फिर ये 2020 का एक वो बुरा साया है यार, पूरा बुरा है. सो इट्स गेटिंग ऑन माई नर्व्स, इट्स गेटिंग ऑन माई लास्ट नर्व्स एंड इट्स द ईयर इज. So coming to the topic of the video, today's video will be about it will be a makeup tutorial video. मैंने पहले बार पिछले बार भी मैंने एक मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो बनाया था एंड इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन पार्टी मेकअप. मैंने स्मोकी आइज किया था, देन देयर वाज दिस डार्क लिपस्टिक, वो पूरा पार्टी मेकअप था. सो टुडे आई वांट टू मेक अ मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो जहाँ पे बहुत बेसिक मेकअप होगा, एक लाइट मेकअप, बिकॉज बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, लड़कियाँ हैं कि जिनको नहीं लगता अच्छा इतना मेकअप. दे लाइक टू पुट मेकअप ऑब्वियसली, बट वो जब इतना लाउड दिखता है तो उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता. सो समटाइम्स दे वांट समथिंग कि कैजुअल हो, थोड़ा नेचुरल लगे, मेकअप भी हो बट नेचुरल लगे, उतना लाउड नहीं. So I'll be doing this makeup tutorial video based upon totally basic natural makeup. It can be a nude makeup, but I won't use a nude lipstick. I will use a pink lipstick, but yeah, it will be kind of a nude makeup. So yeah, तो ताकि वो natural लगे and loud ना लगे. And before starting the makeup tutorial, I would like to show my kurta. So this is a kurta. This kurta is from India, INDYA. You can get the brand on Myntra and also you can also purchase from their official website and you can also purchase from Myntra. उनका वो brand Myntra पे भी available है, so you can go there. So I will use the black color. I have light eyebrows, that's why I will use black. If if your hair growth, if you have a heavy hair growth on your eyebrows, then go for brown. Don't go for black, like dark brown, okay? But I will go for black because I have this light hair growth here. So yeah, so let's do it. ऐसे हम शेप करेंगे इसके आसपास से. I put this black eyeshadow on my eyebrows to shape them and make it darker. And so yeah, this is how it is. And I use this Huda Beauty palette. This Huda Beauty palette, you can get it online from Nykaa. So yeah, this is the one. So now I will use concealer. So I'm going to use this concealer. It's from Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup. Now I will use the concealer around my eyebrows to shape them properly. Like eyebrows को ऐसे shape करेंगे, like इसके आसपास से ये line खींचेंगे and then we will blend it so that वो shape एक अच्छा shape आए. Put the concealer here as well, here and under your eyes. Okay, so now I'm done with my eyebrows. So this is how it looks. Now what I will do is I will use eyeshadow. Yeah, now I will apply eyeshadow. Hey guys, so I'm using the same palette again. Now I will use this base color, ekdam nude color, okay? This nude color, and then I will use this nude color. First this one and then this one. For this is like I will use the both of the colors for both the eyes. Yeah, first this and then this. I will show you what it looks like after I'm done. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. I'm done with applying the eyeshadow. Okay, now I will apply this moisturizer. This moisturizer is from I don't know what's the name. Okay, here's written that oil-free moisturizer combination skin Neutrogena. Okay, fine. That's the moisturizer, and we will apply it. I feel so sleepy right now. I want to sleep. I want to do nothing but sleep right now. Oof. Okay, so yeah, done with applying moisturizer. Now now we will apply the primer here. So this is the makeup primer. It's from Lakme. It's a Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect makeup primer. So I will use it. Just this much, yeah. Now that we are done with applying primer, we will go for the foundation. So the thing is that I am not completely fair and then I'm not completely dark. It's my skin tone lies somewhere in the middle. I don't even know. So I use a bit of dark shade and then a bit of lighter shade, but in greater quantity. Yeah. So this one is Maybelline New York Fit Me 310, and the dark one is 332. That's the number. Okay, so we will take both of them. So I will use the mirror. So yeah, we will take this pink one and this one, both for our cheeks. It's yeah. And now we will take a thin brush like this and use this one to shape our nose. Oh, where's the mirror, bro? Okay, yeah, here's the mirror. Okay, so yeah, done with the foundation as well. And uh, now we will go for, wait, now we will go for, what should we go for at first? Let's do, yeah, I think we should go for this one first. Wait. And yeah, I am not using any highlighter. Okay, I'm not using any highlighter, because if you're doing a light makeup or natural makeup and not a loud makeup, I don't think it's really it will be okay to use highlighter, and not according to me at least. So yeah, so now I will put the mascara. Now I will apply the mascara, and I put like I use this small bindi, black bindi. So yeah, let's do this. First, the mascara was from the Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Okay, it's from Colossal. Yeah. And now I will apply this lipstick. It's from Maybelline New York. Super Stay Matte Ink. What's the shade? I don't know what's the shade. Oh god. Anyways, this is the thing. It's from Maybelline New York. So let's apply. I think I should use mirror. So this is it. This is how I look. Sorry. Saying what? So this is how I look. This is the thing. As you can see, it's a nude eyeshadow, not much, and a black bindi, a jhumka, and you're good to go. So let me open my hair so that you guys can understand. Okay. Oh, the bobby pin. Oh, God. I'm really sorry for the battle of, but yeah. Oof. My hair looks so messy. Oh my goodness. God. It's Uma. Oh god. Anyways, so yeah. Now, this lipstick is really nice. You know, the other lipsticks make you like the other, there are a few lipsticks or the like those copies of Huda Beauty, not the real ones. They make the, you know, lips very dry, but this literally moisturizes your lips, and like it doesn't become dry, and that's a very good thing, because like and it's also like, obviously those first copies of Huda Beauties, those are cheaper obviously, and this is a bit pricey, but the Maybelline New York lipsticks are I'm flaunting myself right now. So this is how I look. Eyes. Bindi magic. What am I even speaking? Yeah. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. You can touch me there. You can touch my body. That's a face, so it's your Barbie world. Ouch. It will take much time if I start like this and combing my hair. So yeah. I don't know, but yeah. Yoo-hoo! I did makeup, woohoo! I look cute, hee. hope I also look good without makeup, because now this is making me insecure. So guys, if you really like the video, then please do like, if you like the video, then please do like the video or hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below and hit the bell icon. And please, if you can, then please do share the video as well.